Chief Minister and Biren Singh Delhi da high-level meeting yaurunabagidabak ngasi Imphal Thadokhre. Chief Minister na Imphal Thadoklamdaida Paumi Singh unabada maki Delhi khongchat ase maru oina July 16 tagi pangthokadoriba Niti Ayog da saruk yaba chatpani. Khongchat asida Prime Minister Narendra Modi yauna pangthokadoriba Chief Minister conclave su saruk yagani haire. Loinana Manipur gi oriba crisis asigi matangdasu tongan ba official singa wari saduna Manipur gi issue asigi warisin ama purakpa ngamlagani haina phongdoklamki.
My visit in Delhi is especially for the Niti Ayog will be chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, and after that we are also going to have Chief Minister conclave along with the Honorable PM, and will interact different issues. I will take the privilege, I will take the advantage of addressing about the prevailing situation of the state, and I will request to have a immediate solution of the present crisis. I am very optimistic. I hope something will come positive. No, that's kind of nitty politics we should not do it. There is no question of mentioning of state. All the state, how they can mention in the parliament that yesterday the Sitaraman ji, Madam has already clarified. But today I also just want to all of you how much money has been already invested, already sanctioned for the relief, for the cyclone, for the flood, and for the victims of the present crisis. Money has already sent, and we're doing enough. We're getting enough fund from the center. I think not related with the mentioning of it. That is a petty politics. We are inviting them. I also personally inviting them, and from the assembly also we are inviting. They should come and join. We will cooperate.